Hello everyone, it's sunny here, sunny Sunday. So I will just give a little update for my starter here. Yeah, some are growing, but this one is it's fine, it's easy to grow. And some, this one too is grow. And here, but some are not yet. So I'm still waiting for them because some of this one takes 7 days. It's 1 week before it's growing. My one and only zucchini there is growing already. So I will just here and I will just go here update for my, and this is my new welded vegetable stand. So this is my old flower pot here, so I just let my cousin to make for me for this one because I will just put the Chinese pichay here. It's 3, so I have 2 of this pot, so I need to buy more, 4, so that I can make here. So we'll add it here on the vegetables here. So some of the tomato I put in the pot. I bought a little bigger pot so that I can compare what is the good, the pot tomato or direct ground tomato. Then this one is growing well, and I cook some adobo, chicken adobo today, so I got some of this 8 spring onion. So here I can update my tomato is, yeah, they become fat, and some of them it's giving flowering already. It's there, so it start. So I need to buy bamboo to make this like guard for this tomato. See, it's all have flower now, and some here. So it's, so tomato is flowering now. So I need to put them some bamboo guard so that it will not lay on the ground. Yeah, see, it's a flower now. And also my bell pepper also here a flower, and this one, since this is the big one, and some are the little, still little, so I'm still waiting for them. And so that's update for my tomato. And my chili here, yeah, this is chili, so it's up already. So some are, hope it will become bigger. I think snail don't like this one, since that I'm planting some of this kind of chili they don't eat, so only they love like soft plants like squash, cucumber, and pichay, and this big like baby's breath here. So, and this is blue turnip tea, 1, and the other one is 2, and it start flowering already. So I think next week I can have blue turnip tea, so you can drink this one. And even when you search that one online, what is the benefits of blue turnip tea for your but in its many cure for this kind of plant. So they're starting. I plant this before we went to Cebu, and when we come back here, I think we went to Cebu, it's like December 22. So I plant this already at December 19. Then we come back from Cebu, it did not grow yet. Then until February, mid of February, it grows. It's so have flower now. So I'm happy this is growing also. So this is the update, and I can walk over here. So this before, this is almost 1 year, this chili I had. So I just put this one here, and gives always non-stop giving chili per time. So this is the last product they will give me, because it seems like it's dying, so I need to change this one too. And here I clean a little bit. I changed into spring onion, and the one here is the kamuti, the kangkong, which is the family of kamuti tops. Yeah, I transfer over there. So here it's different kind of, like this is grow already. So, and the Malabar spinach, since it's always raining, so the seeds is all grow now. So I just let them grow, I think 3 inches, so that I can transfer them and plant it properly by the way, rather. So like I can plant the properly, so because these are so close to each other, so that it can have like this. So here, and this one I transfer here because it's too dirty over there. So, and this is the one that for my crates of the snails, I try to put rice hull for this one. And you can buy this to all the rice now. They're selling this for 10 peso per sack. So I just experimenting, which is before I had here, and all the snails eating it. So this, I try this one. It's almost, I think, 3 nights since I planted this one, and still here. So maybe snail don't want to crawl in here, because I think it's short for them to crawl in. So, and the other one here is growing well. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will give you update when my tomato will give more to this tomato after 5 days.